how to create ActiveCampaign account step by step. If you click the link below in description, I will get a small commission from your account and it will help you support the channel, and so I can keep producing these awesome videos for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos would you like to see. So then you click here and put your email address. I will create my account, and then you can literally try ActiveCampaign for free now. Before it was not possible, so you can go ahead, click try it free. No credit card required, you have 14-day trial. And let's write it here again. You put your name here, your phone number, so if you already have some list from previous autoresponder, you can put how many you have, let's say 502,000. How many employees you have, let's say you have 2 to 5, which industry your business is in, let's say consulting. Okay, and then if you use any provider from these, you can choose that, otherwise you can click on next step. Here you can choose your password and click on take me to my account. It will take a while. And boom, just like that, we created you a brand new ActiveCampaign account. Like the video if you found value in it, subscribe, and let me know below in the comments if you have some questions. Make sure that you go to settings and that you put your address there, because it's required by law to have an address filled out before you can start sending emails from autoresponder. In here, addresses, you want to put it there, and then if you want to integrate it to some other software that you already use, you can go here. And we cover this in other videos on the channel, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so thanks for jumping in on this video, and now you can watch this next one that I've prepared for you. I'll see you there.